नमस्कार। नया साल, नई उम्मीद और नव विचारों के साथ मैं श्वेता चोपड़ा, वरिष्ठ उपाध्यक्ष फिकी फ्लोर, आप सभी का हार्दिक अभिनंदन करती हूँ। Speaking about our guest this evening, Miss Dimple Kabaria entered Bollywood at the tender age of 16. She worked both in mainstream and parallel cinema. बॉबी, सागर, रुदाली, लेकिन, काश, जख्मी औरत are some of her notable films. She is truly a style icon. Her hairstyles, bobby skirts and knotted blouses were a rage during the 80s. Speaking about a guest this evening, Ms. Dimple Kapadia entered Bollywood at the tender age of 16. She worked both in the mainstream and parallel cinema. Bobby, Sagar, Rudali, Lekin, Kash, Zakhmi Aurat are some of her notable films. She is truly a style icon. Her hairstyles, bobby skirts and knotted blouses were the rage of the 80s. She has many dimensions to her personality. A talented actress, a doting mother and grandmother, she's also an entrepreneur who has a heart to venture into the business of candles. Her brand is called Far Away. Ladies and gentlemen, with a huge round of applause, welcome the timeless diva, Miss Dimple.
अरे तू क्या जाने तेरी खातिर कितना है बेकाबिल तू क्या जाने देख रहा है कैसे कैसे काबिल दिल करता है तू है यहाँ तो जाता लम्हा थम जाए वक्त का दरिया बहते बहते इस मंजर में जम जाए तूने दीवाना दिल को बनाया.
I request the committee to please take charge of the seating. We have a full packed house today. I would like to request our dynamic chairperson, Ms. Natasha Chaudia, to please welcome Ms. Dimple. Thank you, everyone. I would request Natasha to come up and kindly give her opening remarks.
Good evening, everyone. Each one of us can make a difference, but together we can make a change. With this motivating thought, dear friends, I would like to welcome all the members, esteemed guests, past chairpersons, media representatives, and especially our guest of honor, an exuberant personality with alluring beauty, Ms. Dimple Kapadia. Ma'am, you're truly a woman of substance who has time and again proved that you can attain anything if you strive for it. I, Natasha Chordia, Chairperson Flow Jaipur, truly believe in the supreme power of unity. Past years have witnessed tremendous growth for FICCI Ladies Organization Jaipur in terms of initiatives, dynamics and accomplishments, which I aim to accelerate multifold by uniting our potentials. On this note, I would like to unveil my flair of the year, Together for Tomorrow. The logo very thoughtfully inculcates the graphics of interconnected shapes of people showing strength, unity, growth, and a true power of teamwork. We have planned an array of sessions on health, governance, enterprising knowledge, power couples, leadership, progressive ideas, membership drive, and bonding. This year, we'll be taking environmental and women-centric issues, supporting government campaigns. We are very inspired by the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, and today we plan to launch our in-house designed organic shopping bags and vegetable storage bags. We aim for plastic-less Jaipur. I would like to extend my gratitude to all the members who have supported us in our social endeavors in past and wish all of us to join hands for the upliftment of the underprivileged in future in some way or the other. It can be done by training, hiring them, sponsoring, or maybe contributing a fixed amount of 7,000 in our birthday month. We always welcome suggestions and comments from our dear members with open heart. Please feel free to reach out to us at any time. Together we can make a difference, and we will. On this note, I would like to introduce my pillar of strength, Vivacious Talented Committee 2018-19.
We have been skilling women in tailoring, beauty, and driving. This year, under the able leadership of Ms. Natasha, we are taking a step further. Flow unveils its green initiative. As I share the details with you, I would like to request Shri Ashok Lahoti ji, Shri Rajiv Dasot ji, and all the past chairpersons to please come on the dais. I also request Ms. Roli ji. We women are home commandants, entrepreneurs, and responsible citizens all at the same time. The organic shopping and vegetable storage bags have been created by the women, which we have skilled under the initiative called We at Flow. The bags are exhibited outside. Please place your orders. The proceeds from the sale of these bags shall be used to skill more women in tailoring at the grassroots level. This is our way of going green. I request Ms. Dimple, Ms. Natasha, and all the dignitaries to kindly unveil the initiative. Thank you, everyone. विक्रम, अर्जुन, राम, लखन सभी का दिल चाहता है सागर जैसी आंखों वाली, जाबाज जज्बे वाली बॉबी की दृष्टि उन पर पड़े। वक्त बदला पर 20 साल बाद भी इस दबंग अदाकारा को सभी कहते हैं तुम मिलो तो सही। So you all are lucky by chance. Ladies and gentlemen, with a huge round of applause, welcome the timeless diva, Miss Dimple. I request Natasha to take it forward from here.
Thank you so much, Shweta. And I would like to thank you, Dimple ji, for accepting our invite and gracing us with your presence today. Thank you so much. So we know Rajasthan is very, very special to you. We've seen all your movies, especially Rudali, where you have done a beautiful job. But today our topic is the screenplay of life. So we would like to talk about your life journey with our audiences. So I'll start with what inspired you to get into Bollywood coming from a business family?
Good evening, everyone. Thank you for coming, guys. I'm braving it in this weather. Lovely to see all of you all. And what inspired me? I was very young, and I used to see movies like most kids do. And at that time, there was Asha Parekh ji, and she had done a film called Ziddi. And she played a rebel without a cause. And I think I was always a rebel without a cause. That's why, you know, I used to always look up to her. And then there was Helen ji, who used to dance like a dream. तो मुझे लगा कि मतलब ये क्या है, ये तो मैं भी कर सकती हूँ, you know. It looked so easy because she was so effortless. But well, I mean, these are legends. And that's how I started my journey after seeing them. I aspired to be like them, and I wanted to be in films, and I got an opportunity once to play a younger Vaijanti Mala, and अक्ल भी नहीं थी मुझे उस वक्त, और मुझसे कहा गया कि इंदौर में शूटिंग है, तो मुझे लगा इंदौर मतलब इंदौर होगा. I didn't know what was outdoor and indoor, you know, also. So fortunately for me, that was a big heartbreak because I didn't get that role. You know, I didn't realize that God had better things in store for me. Yeah, but that time it was a big jolt because it was something I really wanted to do. And yes, that's how I started.
On that joke of Indore, I would like to tell you, I'm basically from Indore.
Oh.
Yes. So as we move on, you're known to get into films because of the legendary director late Shri Raj Kapoor. How did Bobby happen for you?
Okay, that's another dark cloud there. And I know there's so much press here. I wish the press wasn't here, guys. I could have just opened my heart.
No, the
and
press is
spoken
all
to
with
you.
us. We don't need to worry.
You know. Well, okay, cutting it short. My father knew a lot of people in the industry, knew everybody in the industry very well. And one very famous director who was like a family friend. I was suffering from leprosy at that time. I was about 12 years old. I had it on my elbow. So this man turned around and said that I'll see that you get ostracized from school. That's the first time I heard that word. I didn't even know what it meant. But what I want to say here is that when you're young, there is no fear. There is no fear of the future because, you're just so full of life. So fortunately for me, it happened so early in life that it didn't sort of make a dent in my mind or in my psyche. And Raj Kapoor Saab wanted to meet this girl. He was told there's this beautiful girl and she's suffering from leprosy. So you see, out of this kind of, a setback, there was a lot to gain, and that's how I got into Bobby. But what I want to say here is that it was the most fabulous time of my life. And it's strange that anything that I said or wanted or desired just happened, you know. It was magical, absolutely magical. And I still remember in school reading this from the newspaper, and it said that Raj Kapoor is looking for a girl to play Bobby. And I said to my friends, I am Bobby.
Wow.
I can't believe it. Okay, then I went for the test, and I got rejected because he said, you look much older than Chintu. Oh God, मुझे अभी भी याद है और उन दिनों ना वो किताब में मैं लिखा करती थी. Used to fill up my notebooks with Ram, 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 to the studio back to Ram, 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 Ram. So I was like, ऐसे कैसे हो गया ये इतना मैंने किया. But then, I don't know, he called me back again and it was all right from there on, yeah.
So all your dreams came true. That's amazing.
All my dreams came true.
Yes.
All my dreams came true. Yes, they did. Yeah.
So tell us, while signing Bobby, did you really imagine it to be such a big blockbuster?
No, I had no clue. I was 13. I didn't even know that I was working with such a great showman. Absolutely oblivious to that. And I had no clue. It was like a picnic for me. Because we knew the family, so it was a very comfortable situation. Yeah, it's only afterwards that I realized the magnitude of what I had got, you know.
That you have become a superstar already.
No, that I got to work with this fantastic director. Yes, my God, I have not met another director like him. Yeah.
So at such an early age of 17, you were a film star, a mother, and a wife. Did you miss the typical teenage fun? Or did you ever feel you grew up too soon?
You know, I think I just grew up very fast. I don't miss the teenage days because I think I was a teenager before that only. I think for 8 saal se hi main teenager ban gayi thi. You know? But girls do mature faster, don't they?
Yes,
Yeah.
true.
So I don't think I missed out on that, yeah.
Great. What advice do you want to give to the society today to accept single parents?
I think it's all about compassion, empathy, and about understanding that we are all at the base level, we are all one. We all have in our families a divorcee or a single parent, and it's difficult to explain to the common people what these people go through. It is very hard being a single parent. I didn't have to face any of it. I was fortunate. But people don't give you apartments, they don't give you a membership because you're a single woman, a single parent. It's ridiculous. But now I think women are just sort of, it's completely reversed now. They've become sorry, my saying Chandis now, you know, they're out there. So they don't have to worry. Just keep your power with you and just know that y'all are all amazing. Yeah.
Lovely. Can you tell us how you fell in love with the legendary late Shri Rajesh Khanna? And how did you meet him? Can you narrate some fun snippets? I'm sure everyone wants to know that.
God, why is the press here?
I'm again telling you, you don't need to worry about press.
If anything goes out, I'm going to kill you guys, and I mean it. Okay.
Press, you're our friends, right?
Okay. So this was after I signed Bobby. We were going to Ahmedabad. This is blowing too much, isn't it? We were going to Ahmedabad on a private flight. There was some function there which we had to attend, and I, being Gujarat ki ladki, I was also invited. So हम लोग flight में बैठे थे, and I think I was born a dramchi, you know. From बचपन से ही drama का बहुत शौक ज़्यादा. So he sat next to me, and I was sitting next to him and looking at him and all. I mean, Rajesh Khanna, come on, guys, give me a break. I mean, you know. So I very chalakly I told him. I said, वहाँ तो बहुत crowd होगा, भीड़ होगी. आप मेरा हाथ पकड़ोगे ना? So he said, हाँ बिल्कुल. So I said, हमेशा के लिए.
So you were filming from the starting.
Very filmy. That's why I got into this line. I was totally filmy. And yeah, the rest is history. It happened.
Yes. Thank you for sharing that with us. You come across as a modern and open-minded person. What helped you develop such an outlook towards life?
Don't know. I think I would give the credit to my father, who was a very क्या कहते हैं उसको, very progressive, and I think whatever I am today, I think it's one of those rare occasions where I'm really missing him, really missing him, because where I stand today is only because of him, and he was the one who gave me wings. He was the one who let me get into this industry, and my grandfather was very upset. You know, कि कैसे हमारे इंडस्ट्री से लड़की जाके फिल्मों में काम करेगी. It was not supposed to be a acceptable thing, you know. And my father got thrown out from the family business, yeah, and he stood his ground. And I thought that's amazing at that time for a man to sort of stand up for his daughter like that. I mean, that was amazing, yeah.
Very nice.
There's no other way I could have done it, yeah.
So all credit goes to your father.
Absolutely.
Yes. And you're credited with many bold life choices, especially in that era. What is your source of strength? Do you believe in spirituality as well?
Yeah, completely. I mean, you can't take a single step without believing in spirituality. And I think most of my decisions, first and foremost, my mantra of life is to live and let live, honestly. Many people tell me, "Kya aapne itne achhe," oh my God, this press is here again, forget. बहुत बोल रही हूँ ना?
नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं. I'm sure सब सुनना चाह रहे हैं आपको.
Anyway, to hell with it. So they've asked me, you know, that how did you bring up these two lovely girls, and they're so nice and so well behaved and they're doing well, and I swear by God I did nothing. I just let them be. Live and let live, that's what I did. I don't think I even sermonized as much. And by God's grace, it all worked out absolutely fine. Absolutely fine, because I think children also imbibe a lot with what they see in life. You know, the things that happen in everyday life. And and I was blessed to have good children. I wouldn't say that I contributed. No, I didn't. That's a fact.
Yeah. In Luck by Chance, you play a pushy and ambitious mother of a young daughter. Were there any real life instances where you could relate to the character? Or I would like to ask you, who's more like a mom, like you or Twinkle,
Of
or your
course,
other
Twinkle,
daughter?
it's evident. She's a big bully. It is her all the way, yeah. because she was an amazing child. Uh, she must have been all of, I think, 7 or 8 when I got separated. And the kind of itni maturity, or she was like only wanting to take care of me, to see if I'm okay, if everything is all right with me. And there are lots of things I can't say because of you know what, but but she was like my friend. She was a friend to me, and then she turned into a monster mother. So that's how she is today. And then I started making candles at home. So she was like, why can't we market these candles? We have a company called the Faraway Tree. So I said, are you crazy? I mean, I'm an actress now. I can't go and sell mombatti, na? I mean, घर के लिए ठीक है, दोस्त वगैरह के लिए ठीक है, मतलब it's below a standard. So she said, what rubbish. And then she took a whole consignment to Good Earth, and she got me an order for 1 lakh. This is when we started. She was not married then. So, well, she is my mother, yes.
Lovely. So this is a question from one of our members, Pallavi Naila. To me, you are an eternal beauty. My perception of you as that you are a positive, successful, balanced and fit person.
You must be joking.
We all can see that. You can't say that to us. Please share your core principle or mantra that guides you daily in the journey of life. And also to add on to this, can you share the mantra of your beautiful hair, which everyone here wants to know?
No, listen, my philosophy is very simple, and that's how I've lived my life. I don't know whether it's good for me or not, but seriously, it is always and has always been within any relationship, whether it is as a wife or as a mother or as an employer or as an actress or whatever, is always been live and let live. Period. I don't go beyond that. If I have to make any decision, then I have to see whether I am coming from conflict or from love. And I cannot bear conflict. So it's always, and I think works for me.
I think
don't
that's
know
a
if it works
beautiful thought.
for anybody else, but it works for me all right. Because I don't want to get into that zone. I just don't want to. If something is going to sort of disturb me, and it's not going to be okay and peaceful for me, then I will just turn around and walk away. I'm not going to go in there and fight and push. So, and that's worked for me, and that's it, yeah.
Yeah. Great.
And of course, because I'm such a filmy kid, you know, I actually thought Rajesh Khanna ji would sing Mere Sapno Ki Rani Kab Aayegi Tu. He'll take me to the mountains and he'll sing. I swear I'm not lying. Because I was so young. और इतनी पिक्चरों का इन्फ्लुएंस था, तो जब माउंटेन्स पे पहुंचे और गाना भी नहीं हुआ और हवा भी नहीं चली, तो मेरी तो हालत खराब हो गई. It was my dream was shattered, you know, because I seriously believed it. I mean, how dumb can you get? But well, that was me, yeah.
Lovely. You have been a great mother. So tell us, raising a daughter in 80s and seeing your granddaughter grow up today, what major difference you noticed?
Pardon, I didn't get that.
Raising your daughter in the 80s and raising your granddaughter today, do you find any difference?
Oh, there's a huge difference. There's a huge difference. I'm not talking about me, but there's a huge difference in parenting today.
Yes.
Because I think all the mothers, and thank God for it, are hands-on. Not to say that I was not hands-on, but they worked out fine, you know what I'm saying? But it's really nice because there's so much contribution that's happening from the parents, and there's so much they're doing now which we didn't do earlier, which we didn't think was important enough, you know? And I think that's a great change, yeah.
Okay. So where do you imagine yourself if you've not entered in Bollywood? And can you please tell us, does acting get easier with time, or you have to still invest a lot in your roles and films?
I don't know. It doesn't get easier for me at all. Not at all.
Is that the reason we see you less often?
Yeah. Every time I have to do a film, I go through a mini heart attack, literally, okay? फिर मतलब जब तक शूटिंग शुरू नहीं होती, खाना पीना बंद, होश गायब, आंखें से ऐसे लगता है पता नहीं क्या हो गया है इसको. I'm so stressed, and when I'm on the sets, I'm equally stressed. But I guess that's again my way of working. And times I feel that when I'm in front of the camera, my heart is beating so fast that that the camera can hear it, you know. So yeah, it's a stressful experience for me. It's not been a very pleasant experience. Though I must say I've had lovely moments and I've had lovely films, but it's taken a lot from me to be able to do that, to come out like that. Basically, I think I'm an introvert. Now, I'm not sounding like that right now, but I am, okay? Yeah, and it takes its toll on me. So unless it's something that really is important for me, that being the role or the money. It depends on my bank balance also. So then I adjust accordingly.
So we are the lucky ones to have her because when we invited her, she said, you're going to give me sleepless nights if you're inviting me. So we all must clap for ourselves so that since she's come here with us on this day. Thank you so much for accepting it. The fun element flows in the family. How's your ideal family day with your daughter Twinkle, Akshay, and grandchildren? Are you the typical granny or the cool granny for your grandkids?
Well, apparently I'm not the granny at all, you know, because
Is Twinkle the granny again?
No. So all my grandchildren, the only way they address me is, okay, Arav will say, Nani, because Nani is only doing some nonsense. The other, Neomika will also, Nani. So I've just been addressed like this. I don't know why, but they just think that the Nani is totally cracked. And they love me to bits. And I do all stupid things with them. So it's okay.
Okay. Your life is like a blockbuster movie in itself. You've outshone each and every role. How did you manage to play all the characters immaculately? We would love to know that.
I don't know kahan se, but I always used to think that this will pass too. This will pass too. That was when I was younger. When I got older, it's not passing, it's not passing. And I was perturbed, but this will pass. And I just had this kind of blind faith that I'll be taken care of. It's strange to say that, but I just knew that if one door is shut, another will open. I had that faith, I firmly had that faith, and I think that's what paid off. Yeah. There's a certain design to our lives. Not that I've cracked my design as yet, I still don't understand what it is, but there is a certain design. And it's destiny to a great deal. And I don't know, but life is just bizarre and lovely, yeah.
Yeah. Looking at your beautiful journey, what lessons have you learned from life? And would you like to share some such instances which really changed your perspective or outlook towards life? Maybe any one instance?
If that had happened, I wouldn't be here, right?
Oh, yes.
No? No, I think it's a constant learning. I think all of us feel that way. You can't have a kind of a formula there because it throws you such, you're spun around so badly at times, and you just have to just dig in and hang in there. That's all I can say, yeah. I've had my shares of ups and downs, and I don't know. All I can say is God was kind, gave me the strength to be able to handle it. And thank God for that, yeah. I mean, I wish I could give you something, guys, but no, it's just, you just have to believe in, He's there. He's there. He's taking care of you, yeah.
Yes, that's a beautiful thought again. You share a great relationship with your son-in-law, Akshay. Can you tell us something about him or some funny moments spent together?
I was just telling them, I said, I'm not allowed to speak. Because the last time I went on stage, my son-in-law has actually gagged me.
We have
He's
seen
not
that
here today, he would
interview.
have gagged me again. Because I speak such rubbish, I can say just about anything. That kuch rehta nahi hai, everything comes out, and there are places where you can do it with friends, but you can't do it in, with the press around. So with the result, I've always been I have not given interviews. I was never available for interviews during my career because there was no point, because I would land up saying everything and everything negative about myself only. So then what is the interview all about? I mean, you're running yourself down, so it's better to shut up. So I decided from that day onwards that I am not going to be able to do this. It's difficult for me.
Yours, to just carry it forward, he's a superstar and is a perfect example of disciplinarian. Has he changed your viewpoint towards life in general, be it work ethics, punctuality, or his life manner?
My God, he's amazing. He is amazing. He is what I think any aspiring actor would want to be as far as his discipline is concerned. And he is an amazing man. Earlier on, I had my reservations about my daughter getting married to him. So, thank God she did. And I see him interacting with a lot of people, and he derives so much joy in just sort of sitting and playing basketball with you or playing cards with you. I mean, those simple things which I don't have the time for. I ignore the patience, But he can just sort of sit down and just chat with you and make you feel so good. And he's naughty to the hilt. And he just finds me to do these things, on. So once he tells me, he says, Ma, I have to go. Oh God, press again. That's okay.
No one is listening. You can say.
So he says to me, Ma, I have to go to Delhi to meet Mrs. Sonia Gandhi, and I don't want to go alone, so please come with me, Ma, and all that. So Ma was very chuffed. Ma can't speak 2 words. Ma ko leke ja raha hai. Acha beta, acha, okay. Now he's asked me to come, I can't say no. So then, so I said, what time are we going? So he says, Ma, don't worry, I've got a private plane going and all that. So I said, अच्छा ठीक है, मगर अगर आपका प्लेन 10 बजे निकलेगा तो दिल्ली कितने बजे पहुंचेगा? 12 बजे. तो Mrs. Gandhi is going to be awake for you till 12 o'clock. Saying, no, Ma, there's a function there and all that. Barhal, he comes to pick me up. And I've got my shoes in my hand and my nice sari draped and all very ready to go. जूते पहन लेंगे, प्लेन में रख देंगे. He says, oh, I've forgotten my wallet. Okay, he's forgotten his wallet. So his home is like 5 minutes away from my house. So we go there. And he says, Ma, since you've come, why don't you meet the kids also? I'll just come. So I've come in, and there's like this huge party there for me. It was my 50th. And he pulls this off with me every time he does this. And he just loves to do this. अब जैसे लिफ्ट में जाना है, अभी 5वें माले पे जाना है ना? 4 माले पे खुल गया ना? मुझे तो कुछ होश ही नहीं है, तो खुदा का बंदा जिधर चल रहा है सोचती भी नहीं. तो 4 पे खुल गया तो he'll do, Ma, I'll start going out and oh, this is the 4th floor. But why do you do this to me, Akshay?
So he plays a prankster with you too?
All the time.
Okay.
Yeah.
Lovely. Can we have a clipping from the movie Rudali? I have a question from that movie.
एक दिन जमींदार के लोग बांध के कोड़े मारेंगे ना
What a scene it was. And what I want to say here is, we all are Rajasthanis. I really don't know how many of us can really speak that well Rajasthani here. I'm the one who can't speak that well too. But how did you manage to speak such a fluent language here?
You know, again, I have a very, very long and a lovely relationship with Rajasthan. It all started when, as a new bride, I had come to Clark's Hotel. My husband was shooting there. I was all of 16, yes. So I've come there, I've opened the window, and I've very, I've gone and said, "Ah, this looks like Rajasthan." So he just looked at me and he said, "This is Rajasthan." That was my first experience of Rajasthan. Baharhal, after that, I came back to do a couple of films here. I did Lekin, I did Batwara, I've done Rudali. And every time I came here, it was magical for me. I don't know, now when I say that work was difficult and it's difficult for me to work, when I was in the Rajasthan soil, I was just flying. All my work was just flowing beautifully. And it has given me my best work till date. You know, all these three films are very close to my heart. And I just love Rajasthan. I just love Rajasthan.
Thank you so much. And I think that's one of the reasons she accepted to be here today. What do you feel will be the best way for you to contribute towards the society?
By keeping quiet.
Do you all want that?
How can you contribute to society? You can. And it does not have to be you don't need a platform, I feel, to contribute. I feel, and I believe, and I practice, that if you can make a difference to one person, I am not, maybe this is not what she said, but it is not only about, it's how you are with people, how much love you can give, how much concern you can give, how much empathy you can have. And believe me, it feels really, really good, because what goes around comes around and you get the same back. And every day, if you can make I myself feel I am so fortunate. God has been so kind to me that all I have to do is really smile at a person and, their face lights up. And what more possibly can I want? Yeah? And, yeah. I mean, we are blessed, so hamare liye theek hai, but otherwise, of course you can make a difference. Start making a difference to the people who are with you, around you, immediately around you. And if all of us did that, the world would be taken care of, wouldn't it?
Yes.
Yeah? If all of us just had those 5 or 10 people, and if we even took care of them, I think it would make a world of a difference, yeah.
So ladies, we all have this opportunity today to contribute towards the society with our initiative, Go Green. Please contribute towards the society. So again, we come to a question from a member.
I cannot answer anymore. Huh?
Last two. You have such expressive eyes, Dimple ji. Do you always have to speak or your eyes conveys it all? This is from Saloni Patni.
You're so right, because डायलॉग याद नहीं होते थे तो और अपनी आवाज़ से मैं खुद ही डर जाती थी तो ज़्यादातर जहाँ मैंने देखा यार ये साइलेंट एक्सप्रेशन बहुत अच्छी देती है, मैं बोला चलो यही काम करते हैं, कट 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 करते जाओ yeah. So yeah, I guess it's just, I don't know, something from the gift from God, yeah.
Again, a question from a member, Vandita Vijayvargya. There is a quote of yours. I wish I could relive those days because I had no clue about the impact I had made on people. If at all you did get a chance to relive those days, what would have you done different? and any role from the current Bollywood that you would have done then. That's from Vandita Vijayvargiya.
No, I don't think I would have done anything different. I think I would have done the same silly things again and again and again. And I had a blast doing them. Honestly, I had a great time doing all of it. And as far as any role, no, I think I have done the best role of my life, which is yet to be seen by anybody. It's my secret. I can't say here because, again, I'm limited, guys, please understand. But yeah, the best role of my life has been Mrs. Rajesh Khanna. That's
Wow.
been my best role.
So this is the last question from me, then it's all yours. From Bobby to wife to mother-in-law to grandmother, considering the different roles you have played, how did the screenplay of life change for you, and what is the one constant that remains?
Mrs. Rajesh Khanna, that's the constant. That will always remain.
Yes. But how would you describe your screenplay of life to us?
Screenplay, it's a roller coaster ride, man. I got onto the roller coaster at the age of 13 and I'm still riding. So it's fantastic. That's all I can say. It's just fantastic. I don't know what the future has in store and I really don't care. I'm quite क्या कहते हैं, satisfied. I think I got much more than I deserved. I got a lot more and I'm so grateful to the Lord for everything that He has given me, including the pain, the agony, whatever. Everything has made me what I am today. Yeah.
Yeah, it's not easy to accept everything as you do so gracefully. That's really, really nice of you.
Very thick-skinned. You know. That's why.
So my job is done. Can I open the house for question and answers from the audiences? If anyone has any questions, please, you can raise your questions right now.
Can I request Khushbu, Shruti, Nisha and Anushri to please take charge?
This looks like a one-sided conversation. Nobody's interested in talking to me.
You know, when Bobby came, I was also in college. And the whole idea fascinated us, you know, a boy and a girl going on a mobile. And the girl behind, one leg here, one leg there, this on the other side. So when I got married, there was no choice otherwise, you know, marriage was the only thing. Shadi karo ye tabhi you could go. So when I got married, I told my husband, Chandigarh mein se, let's go on a mobile first. This was the impact of Dimple Kapadia.
Lovely. Lovely. I love that. I love that.
At the end, in the movie, you run away with the hero. Tell me today, is it a good idea? Is the parents going to look at you?
Is it a good idea?
Is it a good idea to run away now?
I think it's the best idea. Why waste money on getting married? Are you joking?
And one more thing, the day we waited and it didn't come like, what happened?
Juni ho gayi. That's what happened. It just faded. Thank you.
Anybody else?
Hi, Dimple ji. This is Sonia Birla. I wanted to ask you, what about your hair? Everybody had been saying that you'd say something. We are all big fans. You must tell us. How do you manage such beauty with such ease? It looks very flawless, you know. So how much time do you have to devote to get to this
You
result?
really want to know.
Yes.
You
We really want to
know.
hear that, really.
अच्छा जब आप लोगों ने इतना मुझे चढ़ा के रख दिया है चने के झाड़ पे
No, no, it's true.
तो
It's absolutely
प्रॉब्लम
true.
ये है कि अब बाल बनाए बगैर कहीं जा ही नहीं सकती मैं ओके तो अब राज कपूर साहब की बेटी है रीमा तो एक बार मैंने बाल इतने से कटवा लिए थे इतने थे so she looked at me like this Now I know what it's about you. It was your hair.
Oh my God.
Okay? Then there are so many people, fans who come to me. आपका ग्राउंडिंग ग्लोरी बहुत अच्छा था. अरे इतनी पिक्चरें की हैं, उसके बारे में कोई कुछ नहीं बोलता. You know.
पर समय के साथ इतने अच्छे और भी हुए जा रहे हैं. You know, how does it? Because at 45, I'm losing quite a lot of my hair. It's
No. You, it's all how you set your hair, Baba.
okay. So you do set like the way we do. It looks.
If you see my hair when I've not done it, you'll get scared. Okay? It looks like a chidiya ka ghonsla.
No, unbelievable.
No, I'm being honest. I'm being honest. I
Hello,
try to take care of it. I spend sleepless nights because that pedestal is so dicey that I have to. Okay, yesterday, now I said, okay, I'll just do my hair. I won't wash it. It's all okay. So,
One second. She's answering a question. Just a second.
so I did it and all that. And I couldn't sleep till about 2 o'clock. I opened it to see how it is, I'm very I opened it to see how it was, and it looked like a disaster. यार अभी क्या करूं अभी नहाऊं अभी करूं अभी 3:30 तो बज गए अब सोऊंगी कब उठूंगी कब. So madam has got up at 6:30, washed her hair, put it up in rollers to arrive like this for you guys, okay? So there's a lot of effort.
Next question.
Yeah, ma'am, incident I remember when I was in school and Bunyad used to be on the air. So the 2 episodes, Tuesday and Saturday, Bunyad used to come. So everybody used to ask, what is the difference between a Bunyad in Tuesday and Saturday? So everybody used to wonder. My brothers and all used to be there. So they used to say, Bunyad Tuesday में बहुत अच्छा होता है because उसमें वो आप soap का ad करते थे. So Dimple used to come on that ad on Tuesday, not on Saturday. So everybody used to watch that Tuesday episode, not the Saturday one. So it just
Lovely,
clicked.
thank you
that
for
time.
telling me that.
So it
Thank
just
you so much.
That's the fame you carry.
Thank you for telling me that, guys.
Hello, ma'am. One more thing, like everybody is talking about Bobby, but we haven't heard about Sagar also. The same Jodi coming again on Sagar, and it still goes in my ear, the first sound, la 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 la, and introduced you. It was mesmerizing.
Thank you.
Say
so
something
much.
about that also.
What can I say? Everything is negative only. So then, okay, hear it. So I got to do Sagar, and then the first song was recorded, which was like Jaane do na. I was cursing myself. ये कैसा गाना मिल गया पहली इतनी वो comeback कर रही हूँ ऊपर से ये गाना. I didn't like the song. I must have been really dumb. And then I started shooting for it. And my first shot after 10 years I was facing the camera, I think. 10, 12 years I was facing the camera. And the first shot was on me, singing Jaane Do Na. 50 retakes I have given, my dears. 50 retakes. I didn't know. I said, what? I was so nervous. I would smile, and then my whole smile would start quivering because I had no clue. I just worked with this master director 10 years ago, and not that I had trained before or after, and I was really nervous. And but it was not my fault. 50 retakes they took. Why? Because the look is wrong side of the camera, but that's your fault. You have to tell me look right or left. You know, we have a right and left. So like if Mr. Kapoor is there, then I have to look there, है ना? तो आप बताएंगे ना मुझे कहाँ है? वो फ्रेम में तो है नहीं. आप मेरा शॉट ले रहे हैं. आपने बोला यहाँ देखो, हमने देख दिया 50 retake. I mean, that's Sagar for me. But Sagar was absolutely a beautiful memory. It was great working with Rishi Kapoor, and Kamala Hassan is one actor that I absolutely adore. Absolutely adore. My God, what talent! I start salivating, you know, when I just think of his talent. And there he was in front of me. यहाँ तो मुझे एक शॉट ठीक से नहीं करना आता था, and if he had to just sort of open the door and come in, he would do it in 10 different ways. You know, I mean, he is that magical. So it was a great journey. It was a lovely, lovely time. And yes, I treasure that film a lot.
Can we have the last question from Miss
Good evening,
Alka
ma'am.
Batra?
Good evening, ma'am.
डिम्पल जी, ट्विंकल खन्ना को लिखने की प्रेरणा कहाँ से मिली?
You know, I used to think that I can write. I used to think that I can sing. I used to think that I can dance. And I used to think I can act. तो एक्टिंग तो हो गई बहरहाल और लिखने का भी शौक था बट एक्चुअली मुझे पढ़ने का बहुत ज़्यादा शौक था बहुत और उस उम्र में there used to be a small digest kind of thing called the Psychologist. अब पता नहीं वो क्यों at that age why I was reading all that but I was a very very avid reader and so was she and then she was writing before she got married and I have a bit of it on some hard drive which I've sent her now and it was about my grandmother and you know or my family side and she had started writing that. So I don't know अभी वो hard drive तो इतना पुराना हो गया whether we can retrieve the thing or not. But she was always multi-talented. She wanted to do jewelry designing. She wanted to write. She did interiors. She's done right. I don't know what all she wants to do really. Yeah, I think it's all come from the father. Yeah, bundles of talent, though it has, gone.
I think the whole family is equally talented. The whole family.
Thank you.
So, yeah, one last question from Alka ji.
Dimple ji, thank you for coming to Jaipur first. Of course, going back to your first movie, I still remember your big Balis, 2 ponies with ribbon. It was a fashion and trend that time. You were a role model of Sohini. Who was your role model as actress then and now? Any actress of current era which you really admire and who was your role model at that time?
Well, during my time, let's begin with that. During my time, there was this dynamic actress called Amrita Singh. Absolutely fantastic, spontaneous, bright. I really admired her work. I was very jealous of her. I admired her work. And yes, I would like to be that free, be able to deliver that beautifully and effortlessly. And in today's times,
Any one name?
I'm not mean to demean anybody of today's times, but where do I raise my caliber to reach them? I'm trying to think. So, no, I can't. I think Alia Bhatt.
Yeah, she's a
Alia
brilliant
Bhatt.
actress. Yes. Can we wrap up the question answer round and Shweta can take over?
डिम्पल जी आई वुड से कि आपने कहा कि ट्विंकल की सारी क्वालिटीज़ जो हैं राजेश खन्ना जी से आई पर मुझे लगता है मिसेस फनी बोन्स में जो एटीट्यूड है वो डेफिनेटली आपसे आया है ये आज के सेशन के बाद तो हम पक्का कह सकते हैं
I told her I'm coming
Aapne-
here, for this event. And she knows me very well. I mean, events and me, miles away, miles away. But Mama, you're going? So I said, yeah. Have you written a speech? I said, can I even write? I have no clue. What are you going to say? So I said some absurd thing. Ma, you can't do this. They're so shocked, both of them. They asked me a couple of things. कि अगर ये पूछा तो आप क्या बोलोगे अगर ये पूछा तो आप क्या बोलोगे तो मैंने जवाब दिया तो दोनों मेरे को देख रहे हैं नो यू कांट टॉक लाइक दैट नो but they are my views what to do so said no so I have refrained from entering those areas
So,
अगर मैं दो लाइन
but
में
I think you were brilliant today and you can go back and tell that to Twinkle. Don't we agree to that?
अगर मैं 2 लाइन में कहूँ तो आपने दिल से कहा, दिल तक पहुँचा और बहुत ही खूबसूरती से आपने कहा और बिल्कुल दिल तक पहुँच गया है वो। बहुत ही सादगी से दिल तक पहुँचाने वाली बात कही, दिल खोल के रख दिया सारे जयपुराइट्स के सामने।
I'm so happy. Thank you so much. I'm really happy.
Can I request?
Yeah, because it's high time in life. I think at 60 you can be yourself, है ना? I don't have to pretend anymore. It's fine. It's all good.
And that's your beauty, that you don't pretend at all. And that's why we were so happy to have a conversation with you tonight with
Thank
all
you.
open hearts.
Thank you very much.
I request Ms. Natasha to please present a memento to Ms. Dimple as a token of our love. Before we close the program, we request you to block 10th May for our next event. We would like to thank Ms. Dimple, the esteemed dignitaries, all the past chairpersons, media personnel, our fellow flow members for sparing their valuable time this evening. We would also like to thank Ms. Shobna Twani from Innovations for managing this event. We request the members to proceed for high tea and the media to please step forward for interaction.
Just place the sofas there. Yes, of course. I will take you chairs.
हमारे आगे जो आ रहा है तो 1 मिनट ले लो बच्चे बैठ रहे हैं तो ये कर ले
I think we need help of
No more pictures now.